Y'all been hearing me talking lately about how I buy houses and how I was able to, me and my lovely wife was able to get 15 houses in about what, 6 years? How you doing today? All right now. I see you, brother. We trying to get these lot lines. All right. Gentlemen, senior citizen here, just talking to him. But anyway, by burring, meaning buying a property below market value, as long as you get the property, you know, if the property is worth $50,000, you get it for $25,000. The rehab costs $25,000, then you back at $50,000. But the property won't be worth $50,000 once you rehab it. You should add value to the property when you rehab it. So now it's at $50,000. So you bought it for $25,000. You put $25,000 in it for the rehab. All right, it should be worth $100,000, hopefully. So you just made $50,000. So if it's worth $100,000, you go back to the bank. You might have to wait what you call 6 month seasoning or 12-month seasoning, meaning you got to wait 6 months before you can cash out, refinance, and go back and get the money. And they'll give you 70% of the appraisal value. So if they're appraised for $100,000, they'll give you $70,000. You only put $50,000 into the house. You just made what? That's right. You just made $20,000. That's how we flip so many houses. So in the end, if you buy it correctly and you keep the rehab costs down and you add value, you know, by adding a room or doing something like that, you'll actually get paid when you cash out, refinance the house. Then you take that $20,000, that's your paycheck, and you go find another house and you do it all over again. But then you got to rent it out now. So, you know, don't forget you got taxes and insurance and the whole 9 yards. But it's simple to do, but it's also simple not to do. All right, find your good crew, you can do that. You want to know more about that? Give me a call. 863-410-0877. Salute all veterans. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's all about BSM. That's right. My main man is out here surveying some land that we're going to build some new houses on. And I'm out here with him. So what are we doing today? Well, we're finding our corners. He's out here with the survey, his all his equipment and everything. And we're going to check him out. All right. Salute all veterans. United States Army. And what we're doing today is we're surveying some land that we're buying here in Bartow. But this is the lot, the land that we're going to be building brand new house. We're going to be building 2 new homes on this parcel right here. All right, so let's talk. How you think that I'm doing this, man? All right, I'm not that good. I give all the credit to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. First of all, we got to say that. Can't do anything without that. All right. Every day, getting up, grinding, hustling, trying to make it happen, trying to network with people. I've once heard somebody say, being consistent and persistence, putting them together and marrying them up, you can win in life. All right? Be persistent about doing something and getting something and making something happen, and then be consistent every day. Get up like your life depending on it, and try to make it happen. So that's what we're doing here. We're venturing off into new builds, brand new homes, which is going to be a great look for Radford Homes. All right.
Well, we got something.
Oh. All right. So what are we looking for, Cal, real quick? Tell them what you're looking for.
Looking for property corners.
Okay.
So, started at the property, start working our way out, looking for anything we could find. Once we find enough, we can start measuring everything and then calculate our way back into the property.
All right.
Hopefully find some original monumentation and we'll be all good. It's 407-747-3216 at clearlysurveying.com. So service all the Central Florida.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right, I'm in my local community once again, and I got my main guy out here who take care of me on all my surveys. I think he just hit something just then.
Hopefully.
I think he just hit something. Uh-oh. We just hit it.
Wire or something.
So it's a wire? Okay.
Yeah. Nothing good for us.
Nothing good for us. All right.
Okay.
How are we able to get a lot and split it? Well, it's pretty simple. But once I heard somebody say, well, it's simple to do, but it's also simple not to do. Well, first of all, you got to get the land. Once you get the land, all right, you want to divide them. What's that?
Something big.
Something big? All right.
We know what we want. So I'm gonna keep looking across the street.
All right, we're searching, y'all. We're searching. You want to divide the land or the parcels, whatever you want to call it. And here's how you do it. You get a survey to come out. All right. Once the surveyor come out, he's going to come out here. He's going to find his stakes. Okay. He's going to stake off everything. He's going to hit his reference points. He's going to do just what he's doing right now. Once he complete this, he's going to send me all the documents. All right. And the drawings. And when he send me the drawings, I'm going to go ahead and have him go ahead and split the lots equally. So we have 2 lots that are equally split now, because these lots that I'm standing on right here are not equal. One is like 40 and the other one is like 60, okay, or something like that. 130 and then the other one is like 40. All right, so we're going to split it down the middle and then go up to property appraisal and take the drawings up there. And when you take the drawings up there, they're going to give you a new address for both parcels. So both parcels will have new address. When they give you that new address, you're going to have to go down to the city hall, and Bob and Greg them down there, they're going to give me, I'm going to have to pay $35. And when I pay the $35, they'll say, okay, the address is going to be such and such and such. All right. Just remember, when you're doing new parcels, you're going to have to pay what you call impact fees. So each house will have its own impact fee. Impact fee, and Bart told, don't quote me here, but you might pay around, let's say, $15,000 for each house. So that's $30,000 off the rip. Before you do anything, you're paying $30,000 to build 2 new houses, okay, on a lot like that you're looking at right here. You might go up to the city and tell them that you're going to be doing some great work and you want them to waive the impact fees. And they may do that, but you might have to go to the meetings, the whole 9 yards, all right, and talk to them. You got to get in there, mingle with them. You might have to put in a proposal, all right, and then you put in a proposal, you get approved. They may waive the impact fees. Think about that. $15,000 on 2 houses, that's $30,000. And you might be selling the house, say you're selling the house for $200,000, that's $400,000. Well, it might cost you $300,000 to build it. All right, you don't want to pay no $30,000. That's eating into your profit. And that's what we're doing out here today. And once Kyle finished with this survey and do his job, okay, you got to pay for this. Survey for splitting lots run you between, I'm going to say, $500 and $1,000. Okay, it's Christmas time, so, you know, sometimes you can't get them guys. But I got a main guy, he do all my surveys, so I send him a lot of work. I send him everything I got. So if you need a survey, feel free to reach out to my guy right here. He's a good guy. I called him 2 days ago, and he came out. He made it happen for me. And that's his information right there. 407-747-3216. And you also can reach me. If you're trying to sell a house or anything like that, give me a call. My number is 863-410-0877. Follow us on all our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow Gregory Radford, YouTube as well. If you see me roll around in that black Escalade, talk to me. You got a question about real estate, Section 8, the whole 9 yards? That's what we love. That's what we do. All right. It's all about people. But this is going to be the new lots right here when everything is said and done, folks. Also, we rehab houses. So if you know somebody who have a house that's run down, they don't want it, it's old, we rehab them. And you can call me and I will make sure that I compensate you. All right. And my number is 863-410-0877. Split this lot so we can build two new construction homes. All right, you want to know more about that? What you think, Kyle?
I haven't too much lucky. I got one on our side, one on the other, so we've got something.
Okay.
So
we're looking for the stake that's in the ground. It's about 18 inches deep.
It should be just about an inch or two under the dirt typically, and then it goes about 18 inches long. So,
Okay.
If they were set, then they should still be there unless there was some work done or something in the area. So
yeah,
we'll go down to the corner, see if we can bring it back this way.
All right. So my main guy, man, he's working. He's trying to make it happen, and I'm gonna walk back the other way and kind of walk the lot with you all. We want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Be safe out there. Salute all veterans. Salute you as well. Thank you to all of you who shared, comment, liked, supported us any kind of way. We appreciate you. We give God all the glory. We couldn't do it by ourselves. Real estate is a people's business, and we're grateful that we can come in the local communities and change these houses and make them look absolutely wonderful. And he got to find these stakes, man. He done went all the way down there to the railroad tracks. Now he's all the way down there by the church. He's going to be walking this thing and make sure we have these lot lines squared away before we do any kind of solidifying the deal and, make everything is right. It's a nice sized lot, though. We're going to walk back here. Oh, our YouTube. We trying to grow our YouTube. Go to our YouTube, check it out, and subscribe to our YouTube. That's Gregory Radford. All right, let me give you a shot at the back. Okay, then here's the two lots right here. I'm going to walk back a little bit because it goes a little bit deeper. Okay, but these bushes are right here. So I think it started right here. There's Cal right there. He over there waving that wand. So hopefully I'll be able to do something similar to what he has already done, but also keep it what Greg is going to be doing. And Sabrina, my lovely wife. All right, so right here, y'all, look, we found it. We got a survey line right here, LB3183. All right, so we got a reference point, right? All right, we got something, he said. So that's a good look right there. And it's probably because this house here is pretty new, and they had to do it before they built this house out. All right? So
it should be 99 feet that way.
99 feet?
This corner, and then we've got some going that way. But let's try back here first now that we have a reference.
All right, so what we got a reference point, and then what we're going to do, Cal?
Count 33 steps that way. It should be just about 100 feet. So
okay. All right. You see how he getting his reference point? Once he get a reference point, same thing in the military. When we get our reference point, we can shoot an asthma, a grid, and keep it moving. So that's what we're doing now. When he found this baby here, we were in business. All right, see? The locals coming right out here. Seniors, gentlemen helping us out. You seen it? It was right up in here? All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. We appreciate that. I see that. He got the red lines. He got the lot lines, too. Now, that's what I'm talking about, man. Adding value. He just added value to us, y'all. He just showed us where to go. We found the gold. There you go. So now we have what you call another reference point. Right, Kyle?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, so there you go. So,
There it is, right there.
There it is. Let me see it. All right, see the stake right there?
Rebar.
That's rebar. Now, what they put rebar in all the grounds, and it goes in about 2 inches below the dirt.
Yep, a little we try to put it below the dirt so it doesn't get disturbed, and then it should be about 18 inches long.
Okay.
And then should last for quite some time. When we come by and measure them and be able to.
All right, that's good.
Solution. So that's something that helps.
All right.
Now we can go that way. We got another orange flag. flag over there. So we've got.
Oh, we do got another orange flag. Okay, I'll follow you. So you're tracking that on your phone, Kyle?
I've got the property appraisers because there's not.
me see.
This isn't platted, so there's not a subdivision plat to go on. So
Okay.
I'm just using the property appraiser because that has the rough distances on it. So
Okay.
it helps.
All right, we're gonna go around the garden. Thank you, sir.
We'll come back to this one. I don't want to mess with this stuff.
We got the garden there, so we're gonna come back, hit some other points. All right, y'all see he led us directly to this. All right, and that's the rebar right there. Okay, that's the rebar right there that they put in the ground. That's our stake. That's our reference point. And they already marked it with the flags. So when you see these flags, man, don't pull them up because these flags are marked. All right, I think Kyle done hit another one. He's seen the flag sticking up. All right, we out here.
This would be an example of monumentation that is not approved by the state. Here's just the
Oh, what they got there? Somebody just put something in there on there?
a bolt with some discs on it, just so it's magnetic, unless there's something over here too. But
Okay.
so we got the same cap.
Okay.
Because that's we're required to put our name on monumentation that we set. So this gentleman put his name on it. So
See that, y'all?
you know
All
who
right.
set it.
So that's a monumentation
Yep.
that we set, that they set, and it has everything that you need to know. It's got Southern Land Survey LB3183. All right, so we got another reference point. Habitat for Humanity.
We got another one right over here, which might be your back corner.
I think so. We got another one right there.
So that could be
All right,
good.
we're rolling, folks. We on the road. That's because the man came out, the gentleman, sir, came out and gave us value. He added value to us. That's the same thing we do with properties. We add value to properties by rehabbing them.
Right there.
He came out here and showed us a reference point. And then we got another one. It has another thing there.
Same company set that.
Same company.
So,
All right.
yeah,
All right. Me and my surveyor, we're out here walking the beat so we can get this new bill in 2020. 2020, baby. Radford Homes, salute. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. Be safe. All right, I got to get out of here because I got to go check on another one of my properties that we're rehabbing. All right. But once again, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. And I'm out. Luke 1:37.